Hello and welcome back to another market intel trading session right here on TradingView. So let's take a look at Tesla. Tesla continues to face significant upward pressure, repeatedly testing the resistance at $373. As a result, we have dropped our previous alternative scenario of an early sell-off in favor of a new upside alternative. We now see a 37% chance that the stock will break above the mentioned resistance, forming an early top for the beige wave alt.x above the next key level at $405. However, our primary expectation is that Tesla will first pull back into a green target zone between $273 and $231, where we anticipate the low of the green wave X. Thus, this range could present new short to medium term long entry opportunities to capitalize on the subsequently expected rally, which is likely to culminate in the regular wave X high above $405. Following this top, we expect the final sell-off phase within the broader corrective structure. The wave Y should drive the price down into the beige target zone between $157 and $46, where we project the low of the blue wave 2. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon. Goodbye.